I'd just like to spend a couple of minutes telling you about a fantastic new tool that I found for mapping funnels, and it's called Funnelytics. Now, this is a funnel that I made in a couple of days using the Funnelytics tool. Don't worry about the numbers. That's really for an explanation I'm doing in an explainer video to show you how to put it all together. But I want you to see how complex the funnel is, but also how easy it is to put together. And it really helps you to visualize what you're doing, because I find the biggest problem with creating a funnel is you get into an awful muddle about what's going where and what's connecting to what. And therefore, when you try to actually work out whether your funnel's working or not, you can't do it. And Funnelytics makes this so easy. So it makes funnel creation much easier to put together. It's all intuitive. It's on an app online, so it works on any platform. And you can add all sorts of different icons and things and customize it exactly as you like. But they make it easier for you because they have this vault. Now, if you just sign up for the free account, which is absolutely fine, it gets you all the functionality of the basic mapping tool, then you get these top 6 funnels at the top, which we'll look at in a bit more detail in a second. But below that, you've got all these other hacked funnels where they explain exactly how these experts have put these amazing funnels together, which is it's like an in-depth course on funnel creation. And it's therefore really worth thinking about signing up for the Vault, because I found it particularly helpful. Now, if you just go for the basic plan, which is free, you can get an example funnels, which are the lead magnet funnel, a survey funnel, a webinar funnel, a product sales funnel, a mini class launch funnel, and an application funnel. Now, those help you to get started, and they also help you to learn how to use the tool, which is really fantastic. But if you go into the Vault, then you get all these amazing, much more complex funnels, and they explain them to you. At the moment, there are 39. I think they're just about to put a 40th in there. They're absolutely brilliant, and I've already worked through 2 or 3 of them and really love what they're teaching me. The funnels can be sorted by type and by industry, which is quite helpful if you're looking for a particular type of funnel. And obviously you only get those in the Vault. If you want to find out more about funnels, then go to this link, jbdcolley.com/funnelytics. That it is an affiliate link, so you won't be paying any more, but I might get some benefit, just a full disclosure on that. But that is really where you want to go and sign up and find out much more about Funnelytics. Fantastic tool, absolutely love it. I'm using it now to really put my sales onto another level, and I'm sure you will be too. So Funnelytics, fantastic new funnel mapping tool, and I think you're going to absolutely love it.